training from rescue the people from higher and the rescue from demolition.
They are highly motivated, all of them. They're just curious what happens with the tools, how they have to do it, and they just want to work here. They want to use the tools, so they are quite motivated.
So we are shouting stones on the floor and listening to the people who is under the ground.
Attention, this is an emergency call for all involved units in USAR'12 camp. Move yourself as quick as possible directly to the central parking place. This is no exercise. There are alarm new information.
Dear platoons, please get in order, please get informed. There is a critical situation in a foreign country. We had to go perhaps in mission. We wait for an important person who will come now and explain the situation.
This day, a critical earthquake hit my beautiful home country. I heard from the media that quite next to our country there is a big operation going on with international rescue teams. And if there's any kind of further need for assistance, we are going to inform you about it, and then we're going to deploy you within the regions affected. Thank you.